Padban Revision for Grade 10 Board Examination 2021 to 2022. Question and answer in form of MCQ with explanation. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I hope you all are doing great and practicing for your exam. So this will help you. So make sure to watch this video till end and share with your friend also.
So let's see.
I have already taken this topic in details earlier. If you didn't watch those videos, I'll be putting the link in the description box. In this video, it's going to be a practice and we will do few MCQ question on Padban. Before that, I will do a quick revision so that it becomes easy you to recall. Padban means phrase. The definition of Padban: when one or more than one pad acts like a grammar unit, it is known as Padban. These words are not random. These words are related to particular grammar portion. Okay, that is Sangya Padban means noun. Sarvanam Padban means pronoun. Third one is Visheshan Padban means adjective. Fourth one is Kriya Padban means verb. And fifth one is Kriya Visheshan Padban, that is adverb. So these are the types of Padban. So let us start the practice of Padban. And if you want detail, you can go in description box and check there. You will get it. Question number 1. Sridhar ke 4 putra the, meaning Sridhar was having 4 sons. Okay. Now we have to see till where it is underlined. Okay, let me tell you here, sometimes they give you underline and sometimes they give you bold letter. So you have to know what type they are giving. Okay, so here it is underlined. So now you have to see till where it is underlined. In this case, in question number 1, only one word Sridhar is underlined. Okay, Sridhar means noun. It's a name. Okay, so it is noun. So it will be, the answer will be Sangya Padban. Option 4, Sangya Padban. The answer is already given there. Okay, let's go to the question number 2. धीरे चलने वाली गाड़ियां पराया देर से पहुंचती है, meaning the vehicles with less speed, okay, reach late. So this is that. Now you have to see which word is underlined. In this question number 2, धीरे चलने वाली. So if it is underlined till wali, wala, wale, so these are the describing words. So that is adjective, right? Adjective, and adjective is known as Visheshan Padban. Got it? Let's go to the question number 3. अक्लमंदी दिखाते हुए अपने बालक को गिरने से बचा लिया, meaning with presence of mind he saved the child from falling. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to see till where it is underlined. Okay, अक्लमंदी दिखाते हुए अपने, this apne is pronoun. Okay, so this answer for this question will be 4th, option 4th, Sarvanam Padban. Okay, question number 4. बरगद की पेड़ की घनी छांव से हमें गर्मी में भी ठंडक का एहसास हुआ. Meaning of the sentence: we felt cold even in the hot summer due to the dense shade of banyan tree. Okay, so now let's see till where it is underlined. बरगद की पेड़ की घनी छांव. घनी means dense, छांव means shade, so it is dense shade. So it is a describing word, so it will be Visheshan Padban. Question number 5. दो हस्ट पुष्ट लोग बड़े पत्थर को रास्ते से हटा पाए. Okay, the meaning of the sentence means two strong people. Two physically strong people were able to remove the stone from the road. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to see till where it is underlined. दो हस्त पुष्ट लोग till log. Log word means people. People means noun. Okay, so this answer will be option 3 संज्ञा पदबंध. Okay. Question number 6. राधा का कुत्ता अत्यंत सुंदर और आज्ञाकारी है. Radha's pet dog is very beautiful and obedient. Okay, the meaning of the question. Now, till where it is underlined? अत्यंत सुंदर means very beautiful, आज्ञाकारी, obedient. So these are the describing words. Okay, so this is adjective, means what? Yes, you are right, these are विशेषण पदबंध. So the answer will be option 1 विशेषण पदबंध. Question number 7. चोरी करने वाले बदमाशों में से कुछ पकड़े गए. Okay, so means those robbers who were stealing, among them few were caught. Okay, robbers which are not good people. Okay, badmash means not good people. So now let us see till where it is underlined. चोरी करने वाले बदमाशों में से कुछ. Kuch means few. Okay, this few means pronoun. Okay, so the answer will be Sarvanam Padband. The option 2 Sarvanam Padband will be the answer of question number 7. Okay, उस छत के कोने में बैठा हुआ व्यक्ति पागल है. Okay, so the meaning of this question is the person who is sitting in the corner of the roof is mad. Okay, see here it is mentioned बैठा हुआ means sitting, but this is not simply sitting. Okay, this is not simply verb. What is saying? The person who is sitting on the corner of the roof. So means it is describing words. It is describing words to that person. Okay, so this describing words means adjectives, and so this will be option 1 विशेषण पदबंध. Okay. Question number 9. वो विद्यालय से निकलकर बाजार की ओर आया होगा. From school, meaning of the sentence, from school he must have left towards the market. Okay, so which word is underlined? Underlined words are आया होगा. This is kriya. Okay, this is kriya means verb. So the answer will be option 2 kriya padband. Question number 10. राम किसी से अच्छा व्यवहार नहीं करता, इसलिए उसके जन्मदिन पर कोई नहीं आया. Okay, Ram does not behave good with others. That's the reason nobody came to his birthday party. Okay, now let's see which words are underlined. Underlined words are उसके जन्मदिन पर कोई. Okay, so the last word which is underlined, it is koi, that means nobody. Here nobody. Okay, so this nobody is pronoun. So the answer for this question will be option 3 Sarvanam Padband. Got it? Question number 11. मुझे अपने घर की खिड़की से जंगल में सुंदर गिलहरियाँ दिखाई दे रही है. I am able to see some beautiful squirrel from my window. Okay, now let's see which words are underlined. दिखाई दे रही है. Okay, these are verb. These words are verb. So the option will be Option will be what? Yes, you are right. Option will be fourth, that is Kriya Pad Ban. Question number 12. आसमान में उड़ता गुब्बारा फट गया. The balloon which was flying in the sky burst out. Okay. So now we have to see which word is underlined. आसमान में उड़ता गुब्बारा. The last word which is underlined is gubbara, balloon. So that is noun. So the the answer for this question will be option 3, Sangya Padband. Okay. Then you have question number 13. पत्थर भारी होने के कारण नदी में डूब गया. Meaning of this sentence is the stone sank in the water due to its heavy weight. Okay. Now the underlined words are डूब गया, that is verb. So the answer for this question will be option 3, Kriya Padband. Okay. Question number 14. इतनी लगन से काम करने वाला मैं असफल नहीं हो सकता. Meaning of this sentence is I work with so much passion that I cannot fail. Okay. So let's see which words are underlined. इतनी लगन से काम करने वाला मैं. The last word which is underlined is मैं. That means I. I is pronoun. So this will be Sangya Padban. So the answer for this question will be option 2, Sangya Padband. Okay. Let's see the next one. सौरभ का छोटा भाई राहुल पढ़ाई में बहुत होशियार है. Saurav's younger brother Rahul is very smart in studies. Okay. So now let's see which words are underlined. Saurav का छोटा भाई Rahul. Okay. By mistake it is written ki, but it is not ki, it's ka. Okay. So Rahul is a name of a person, so that is noun. So this will be Sangya Padban. So answer for this question will be option 1, Sangya Padban. Okay. Let's see the next one. Question number 16. This is very important question. Okay. वो दीपावली के उत्सव के लिए अपने दोस्त के साथ अपने घर चला गया. For Diwali festival, he went with his friend to his house. Okay, this is the meaning of the sentence. Okay, if I'll say this question is related to Kriya Visheshan, then my question is in option. If you check, there is no Kriya Visheshan there. Then yes, this is related to Kriya Visheshan. But
So, this is the end of the video. If you
question number 17. राम तेज तेज दौड़ते हुए घर पहुंचा. Ram reached home. How he reached home? He reached home running. So let's see which word is underlined. तेज तेज दौड़ते हुए means running. He reached home running. So तेज तेज दौड़ते हुए shows the quality of verb, that is known as adverb. Okay. So the option answer will be option 3, Kriya Visheshan Padban. Let me tell you more about Kriya Visheshan Padban. Okay. So it shows the manner of the verb. Okay. The quality of the verb, that is adverb basically. So the words get repeated. For example, here it is तेज तेज दौड़ते. Okay. चलते चलते, रोते रोते, हंसते हंसते. These words get repeated. So this is known as Kriya Visheshan. There is one more thing. It shows the direction. Okay. The position. For example, पिंजरे के अंदर, पिंजरे के बाहर, दीवार के कोने में और उस कोने की ओर. Okay, towards, or means towards, मंदिर की ओर और सड़क की ओर. So these shows the direction. So this is also Kriya Visheshan. One more thing is that it shows the duration. Let's see that in the next question. Question number 18. Okay, that is question number 18. सुबह से शाम तक लगातार काम करने के कारण सीता बीमार पड़ गई. Since she was working from morning to evening, she was tired or she was sick. Sita was sick. This is the meaning of the sentence. Now here it shows the duration. Subha se sham tak, from morning to evening. Okay. There could be one more thing like Kashmir se Kanyakumari tak, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So this shows the duration. So that is also Kriya Visheshan. So now you got the answer. What will be the answer? Yes, you are right. It will be option 3, Kriya Visheshan Padman. Okay. So don't make mistake in your exam. Okay, and don't get confused. Do well.
If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Best of luck for your exam. Take care. Bye.